have in front of me a NightWatcher 2 megapixel AHD 8 channel DVR kit. It comes with 2 cameras and an option of a 2 terabyte hard drive, and it's free with, or available with free delivery directly from freetv.ie. So everything comes in this kit here. So basically the options between there's 2 kits actually on the website. The difference between the 2 kits is one of the kits comes with 2 dome cameras, the other comes with 2 bullet cameras. So the first thing I'm going to say to you about this is the picture resolution is fantastic, 2 megapixel, equivalent to a high definition television channel. And the price point on it is absolutely fantastic as well. And the reason it's so good is we got in there for an end-of-line product. We know the NightWatcher brand is very, very good. It just didn't get enough traction in the marketplace. They're moving on to different technology. And the price point on this is a 70% reduction on what the price should be. So if you drove to China, went to the factory, placed an order for 1,000 units, you would pay roughly twice the price that you can buy 1 unit off our website with free delivery. So it is incredible, incredibly good value, and it's going to last probably about a week on our website. So that's just the reality of the situation. So what do you get on this? Well, there's a power unit here. So it's 12 volt, 4 amp power unit. There's a little splitter here, so to power both the DVR and also the cameras, but up to 8 cameras we could potentially power directly off it. We have 18 meter leads here, so these will actually run directly from the DVR over to the camera. So literally you just plug this in, you come along, you run the camera thing, connect it up to your television using a HDMI lead, and at that point immediately you could just get this on your kitchen table, plug in the 2 cameras, connect it to your television, and 60 seconds later you'll be looking at CCTV footage, okay? So then you can obviously position these cameras exactly where you want them. You can come along and you can just use these plugs and screws for mounting it. There's actually a little template for marking it out as well. So then you just have to decide is it the bullets or the domes you particularly want. If you want additional cameras, just buy any of the 2 megapixel cameras that are within our range. And they'll always work with this, or you could indeed use older technology, 1 megapixel as well. But the picture quality is absolutely fantastic on it. We actually had stocked NightWatcher kits before. They sold extremely quickly. They were actually only 1 megapixel, so this is quite a step up from that. And what we're doing in relation to this is we have a video of how to download, put the app on, and connect it all. And it's exactly the same app as we used with the previous version of this. So we have that video already on the website, on the product page that goes with it. So literally, this is a fantastic kit. You have the option of 2 terabyte hard drive. Again, the price of the 2 terabyte hard drive supplied and fitted is less than you could buy a 2 terabyte hard drive for. So again, great value within that thing. So overall, this is just a brilliant kit. And if you don't go this kit and you wait and you buy a kit, another kit off of our website, you'd expect to pay at least 2 to 3 times as much, simply because we got it at a low price and we're selling it out at a low price because that's the way we like to do things.